Children, now let's do some language study. Today we will learn about subject and object. In the sentences, what is a subject? A word or phrase that shows who or what did the action is called a subject. For example, she began to devour the termite. In this sentence, the action is done by she, so it is the subject. Baby watched the mother. In this sentence, the action of watching is done by baby, so baby is the subject. Note that non-living things can also be the subject. For example, the ball hit the window. Here, the ball is the subject. Now let's do some more practice. I will give you some sentences. You have to locate the subject from them. Mama smelled something. Mama, subject. They flash harsh torchlight. They, subject. She began to walk steadily. She, subject. We live in India. We, subject. Very good. Now let's study object. A word or phrase that refers to the person, things, etc. affected by the action of the verb is known as object. For example, she began to devour the termites. Here, termites is the object. Baby watched mother. Mother, object. Now spot the subject and object in the given sentences. They search for our holes. They, subject. Our holes, object. They kill us. They, subject. Us, object. They will spend huge amount. They, subject. Huge amount, object. They hold meetings. They, subject. Meeting, object. She hid behind a rock. She, subject. Rock, object. Baby had reached the anthill. Baby, subject. Anthill, object. We have many cousins. We, subject. Cousins, object. Well done. We saw how baby pangolin first drank milk and then was trained to eat ants and termites. Now can you guess and tell, what do human babies eat as their first solid meal? Ma'am, I have seen my younger brother eating things like mashed vegetables, mashed dal rice, biscuit and milk paste, suji halwa, some mashed fruits like apple, mango, banana. Very good. Now I will give you some phrases. Try to make sentences from them. Helter-skelter. People started running helter-skelter when they saw the tiger on the road. Loads and loads. I saw loads and loads of books in my uncle's library. Kith and kin. If we do not save water, our kith and kin will have to suffer. Spare us. The robber pleaded the police. Spare us. In a trice. I completed my homework in a trice so that I can go to play. Very good. Guess and tell me the names of some rare animals they are seen in Maharashtra state. Leopards, jungle fowl, wild boar, sloth bear, barking deer, flying squirrel, gavers, nilgais, etc. Very good. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Goodbye.